Hey guys, today we're going to be playing with some Persona Cosmetics stuff. So if you guys have been with me for any length of time, you know that I love the Persona Identity palette. I purchased this so long ago. I think it's appeared in like my top 5 neutral eyeshadow palettes. I did a 3 looks 1 palette video on this palette. I absolutely love it. Not only is the color story just really perfect, but the quality is great. It's just a wonderful, wonderful palette. So when Persona Cosmetics reached out to me and said, you know, can we send you some stuff? I was like, yes, please. So they sent me 3 things. They sent me their Cali Glow highlighter in the shade Zuma, and they sent me a nude lip gloss set, which has my name written all over it. Look at that one in the middle. And then they also sent me the Persona Color Theory Eye Kit in Copper, which includes a 5-pan eyeshadow palette, which looks absolutely stunning. It includes an eyeliner and it also includes a blender brush. So I'm really excited to play with this stuff. So I figured we'd start with the highlighter. I have like foundation and concealer and some bronzer and blush down. I'm actually doing a foundation wear test, and this is the Tom Ford Cushion Foundation. So this video will be coming up, I think, tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested. So far it's great, I gotta say. But let's go ahead and apply this highlighter. So this is the Cali Glow highlighter. Again, the shade is Zuma, and I'm just doing a quick look at the ingredients. It looks like there is talc in here. It's like pretty far down on the list. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 6th ingredient. It's made in the US. It's cruelty-free, which is great. Let me go ahead and give you a swatch before we apply it. So here's what it looks like on the inside. I really like this compact. It's actually like weighty. It feels nice. It's hard plastic. And I like this color, this like nude beigey color. Nice big mirror on the inside. And there's the highlight. Very, very soft. Very velvety feeling. Wow. Okay, that's exciting to me. All right, so let's go ahead and apply this highlighter. I've got my Sonia G Sculpt 2 brush. I'm gonna go right into the highlight. Picks up easily. This is definitely a soft, creamy kind of powder. That's what it felt like. Let's put this on the high points. Oh, wow, okay. Woo! Let me do both cheeks. And let's blend this in. Wow. Wow, that is some highlight. Goodness me. Wow, I love the tone of this highlight. It's very golden, but there's a little bit of like a peachy kind of undertone in there. Can you guys see that? So it's really pretty on the cheeks. It plays really nicely with like blush that you like blend it into. Really nice. Oh, I like that. Look at how shiny that is. Yes. And I want to point out, not a lot of powder kick up. So happy about that. All right, so far so good. Let's move on to the Color Theory Eye Kit in Copper. So it comes in this awesome bag. It looks like a Pantone color chip. Isn't that awesome? And then on the back, it tells you it's ideal for brown eyes or blue eyes. And it kind of gives you these like Pantone like color chips here to show you what eyeshadow colors are included, the pencil, the brush, and then all the information here. So there is mica and talc. Those are the first 2 ingredients in the eyeshadow. And the eye pencil that it comes with is a 24-hour wear, like waterproof matte eye pencil. So that sounds great. The eyeshadows made in the US, cruelty-free. The eye pencil is also made in the US. The brush is made in China. So I don't have the prices on this, but as I always do, I'll leave all the information down below in my description box, like the names of all these things, the prices, and I'll leave a link to where you can find it online if you want more information. So let's go ahead and play with this eyeshadow. I'm going to use this brush. Let me take this wrapping off. So here's the brush. It says Persona. It doesn't have any kind of like name of the brush. It doesn't say like eye blender brush or anything on there. It just has the Persona. Has like this rose gold ferrule. And this is definitely synthetic haired. Trying to get a sense of like the shape of this. It kind of comes to a point, but it's pretty domed. It's actually a really interesting brush shape. It's pretty fat at the bottom. It's not very, like the bristles aren't very long, and it doesn't take like a long time for the bristles to taper. So this is an interesting brush to include as like the only brush. I think this is going to be really interesting. So let's go ahead and take a look at this eyeshadow palette. Here it is. There's a mirror on the inside here. This is cardboard packaging. It's magnetic. So here's some quick finger swatches of the 5 colors. We have off-white, light brown, copper, which looks super intense and beautiful. Then we have brick and then dark brown. So these three shades are mattes, and then these two shades are shimmers. All right, I'm gonna see if I can use this one brush for everything. So I'm pretty much gonna go from like light to dark, at least that's what I'm gonna try and do. So I'm gonna start with Off-White, which is this shimmer shade here. The brush picks up like a nice amount of product, and I'm gonna focus this on my inner lid and the inner corner. It's very, very light. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more shimmery. Let's see if we can build that up a little. Okay, it's a nice subtle wash of like a satin champagne-y kind of color. I'm gonna just wipe my brush off here. I'm gonna go into the light brown color, which is a matte, and I'm gonna use this as like a transition shade. And just start on the outer corner here and bring it over through my socket line. All right, there is the light brown shade. I think that's really pretty. It blended out really easily, really nicely. I do think that it looks on my skin, it looks a little bit different than it looks in the pan, doesn't it? In the pan, it looks like it's gonna be a nice camel brown, but it looks a little bit warmer on my skin tone. So next I'm gonna go into Brick, which is this reddish matte color. And I'm just gonna deepen the outer corner a little bit more with this color. Wow. I did not need quite as much as I picked up. Wow, this brick color is really pigmented. I picked up just the teeniest bit. Wow, that is intense. All right, let's check out this copper color. I think I'm just gonna put that on the like mid to outer portion of my eye. Let's just see what happens. Wow. But look at that copper shade. It's pretty much like a metallic version of this brick. Okay, I'm just grabbing a Sigma E37. It's an all-over blend brush. It's totally clean. I just want to kind of soften up these edges a little bit. And maybe blend the transition from one shade to the next. Maybe blend that out a little. Fiery. Okay, last but not least, I'm just gonna dab some of this dark brown just onto the outer corners of my eyes here, just to give it a little bit more dimension. I think we just need something a little bit darker out there. All right, that's it for the eyeshadow. Wow. I mean, not that I wasn't expecting this color story, because it's pretty obvious between the name and the way this palette looks, but wow, I'm impressed with the pigmentation. The only one that was a little bit sad was this Off-White one. I don't even mean sad. It was just a lot lighter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like really reflective, almost like this highlighter, but it's much more subtle than that, which I think definitely has its place. It just wasn't what I expecting. But all the other shades, all of these four are really, really pigmented. They blend out beautifully, and I think they look great on the eyes, and all these colors work really, really well together. So really nice. You know, I'm not surprised, because again, I was introduced to this brand because of their eyeshadow palette, which is amazing. So I'm not surprised by the quality of these shadows. Really pigmented, really, really easy to blend. Very, very lovely. All right, let's play with the eyeliner. So again, this is 24-hour waterproof eye pencil, and the one that's included in this kit is brown. There's the brown. It's a very dark, dark brown. Nice. So I'm gonna apply it to my lower waterline first. All right, it applied to the waterline easily. Sometimes I have troubles, you know, like sometimes it just doesn't feel like the eyeliner is actually getting onto the waterline, but this just glided on really, really beautifully. All right, let me do some tight lining. And now let me go ahead and actually apply it to my lid. All right, I just applied it to both of my eyes. I'm taking my Sony G Smudger 1 brush. I want to see like how quickly it's set down. It's probably been on my eyelids for about a minute. Yeah, I think I waited too long. So it definitely sets down. Like this eyeliner is not moving. I was just trying to like kind of smudge it out a little bit. It's not moving, which is great if you want your eyeliner to stay put, which is what I want to do. So next time I know just to move a little bit more quickly, maybe do one eye at a time, like line this one and then smudge it out and then do the same on my other eye. But that is great. So I'm feeling lazy today, so I don't think I'm gonna bother with mascara. I'm just gonna move on to the lip glosses. So this is the Nude lip gloss set and it's infused with avocado oil and shea butter. Let's see, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, cruelty-free. It's made in the US and it says on the back that it's infused with almond oil, avocado oil, and shea butter. It has a high shine, non-sticky formula with a light vanilla scent. So the three colors in here are toffee, honey, and peach. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, and it says it's season 1. So here are the 3 lip glosses. These 2 on the end are calling my name. So I think what I may do is throw this into a giveaway that is coming up, but I'm going to put this one on. Let's take a look. Yep. Light vanilla scent, nothing overpowering, thank goodness. And this one is honey. So that is honey swatched. Let me go ahead and swatch this other one, which is toffee. And this one is peach. Ooh, here is toffee. Maybe I'll put toffee on. You know what? Let's put both on. So let me start with honey. Do a little swatch of that, a little lip swatch. Ooh, it does feel really nice. Not sticky at all. And you can feel like the oils. It really feels moisturizing. Ooh, I like that. And it has like just enough pigment. I don't feel like these are especially opaque, but you can definitely see this shade on me. So this is honey. All right, next let's go ahead and try toffee. Ooh, this color looks nice with this eye look, I think. So this is toffee on my lips. A big thank you to Persona Cosmetics for sending this stuff over to me. I love these lip glosses. That highlight is beaming, and this eye kit is, I think it's really beautiful. Definitely out of my comfort zone a little bit. I definitely don't wear eyeshadow looks like this often, but I am going out for dinner tonight, so this is perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you've tried any of these products from Persona. If you have any questions, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video.